Hi everyone, welcome to Phil's Honest Reviews. Today I am reviewing the Auto-Vox V5. I primarily use this as a reverse camera. It's also got a forward-facing camera, and obviously it records as well, so it just gives you that bit of extra security. Being a van, I have been brake tested once or twice. Thankfully it's not resulted in a collision, but if I did need to, I know I've got access to video footage of it. So I bring you up to the reverse camera. There we go. Nice image. I do like this. It's a crystal clear. It's a 1080p image. If I stop the recording at the moment, and then we can flick the image. So there you can see the forward facing image as well as the reversing image. Forward image, and then back to the reverse image. One of the advantages of this one, you can see here, there's a camera, it's on the slider. It's beautiful because it's obviously more important for right-hand drives that the camera is on the right. You'll find a lot of the cameras tend to be on the left-hand side and don't give you quite the same image that you're looking for. What we've got in the box is there's the mirror, there are rubber ties that hold it onto your existing mirror. There's the GPS and power leads. Now what I've done is I've actually got a hard wiring kit. So this goes up into the roofing here, and then goes down and into the fuse box. It's one of those piggyback fuses that I've used. I can't say enough about this camera. I love it for it makes the van driving so much easier. Driving along, you can see if somebody's coming up behind you much easier, and if there's somebody directly behind you. One of the things you can do is you can move the image as well and pan down, and then we can pan back up as well. Now I've got this mounted quite high. I've got this mounted on the next to the high level brake light. Obviously if you've got a trailer or anything like that, it's quite useful to have it that high. But if not, you could put it lower. You could put it next to the number plate, something like that, and that would give you a different definition. Advantage of being in the van, it's you can hear this. It's a solid cab that I've got, and the back doors are solid as well, so there's no viewing through there. So you're just relying on wing mirrors. So this is what I love about this camera. I did buy a second one, which is why I actually have a box here. I loved it that much for my car. Unfortunately, in a normal lighting condition car with windows, etc., what I was finding, again, if I wave at the picture, you can just probably see my hand there. Now obviously in the van you don't get any reflections in the same way, but in the car, unfortunately, it was acting as a mirror as well as a camera. Now my car's a Discovery 4, so it's quite long, and I thought it'd be great to have the camera at the back and get that better image. But unfortunately, while you're driving along, you end up with like a double image. You see the reflection as it acting as a mirror, and as the camera image as well. Highly recommend the hard wiring kit. It's better than having a wire sort of trailing down. On mine, it would have to go into that socket there, which I'm already using for my phone charger, and I will cover that on another day. All right, if you've got any questions or you think I've missed something, let me know in my comments. Have a look at my website. It's Phil's Honest Reviews. Obviously got my YouTube page, and I'm also on Facebook as well, so you've got plenty of choices there to have a look round and see what you think to it. All right, take care everybody, see you soon, bye.